Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and I promise this will be the last time I bug you today. This time we're demonstrating a quadraphonic 8-track deck. Of course, it'll play both stereo and quad tapes. This comes from Jack in Wolfforth, Texas. Jack was hoping that I could replace the original head preamps with my own design for the brighter sound that he gets out of his three 8-track, three automotive players, and I've found out that that's really not going to be feasible on this unit, mainly because of the the eject circuitry, the pan eject, and the circuit board's got a lot more on it than just preamps, basically. And something like this, I would actually want to do it on a unit of my own before trying it on a customer's unit, because once I get off into it, I can't really reverse it. So what I did was I was not able to install my new preamps, but the capstan the flywheel was rubbing quite a bit when we put a tape in, so I did fix that. Needless to say, the customer is going to get a partial refund. So let's go ahead and check this puppy out. We're going to start with a stereo tape.
If you're feeling low down, if you're gonna put her down, it's where our friendship ends. In your ear, get out the circuit. Don't you ever call her back, girl, again. I'm gonna bop you on the head, me by the hand. You're a king, bounce the world on its string.
Okay, now we're going to try a quad tape, make sure that. Now on a quad tape, you're going to experience times where there's nothing at all coming out of one of the channels. That was part of the idea of quad, was to put one instrument all on the left front, another instrument all on the right rear. And when those instruments aren't playing, then that channel is going to be completely blank. So we'll go ahead and pop in this quad tape here. See, right now there's nothing coming out of the right front. There we go. Okay, so that takes care of that. There's nothing much to test on this. It's just a playback only unit, so we make sure it plays both quad and stereo tapes, and it switches tracks properly. And I did check the pan eject, and that works too. I just didn't want to wait for the tape to cycle all the way around again before I could demonstrate that. So, I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. To reach me for service, please visit the website that's in the description below, and please download and print the work order off the home page of that website before calling me with a bunch of questions, because that's what the work order is designed for. It lists all my options and prices, including options for turnaround time, and if you're serious about sitting in your unit, you're going to have to fill one out anyway. So please make that the first step towards finding out my prices, options, and turn times. After that, I'm perfectly happy to talk to you. Thanks so much for watching and listening. And thank you, Jack, for your business all the way from Wolfforth, Texas. And we'll see you guys next time.